The adventure has multiple meanings. The adventure begins when you decide so. It happens to you as it becomes permanently memorable. It must be full of discoveries because that's exactly what you expect from the universe. The adventure should also repeat so that you can feel all the emotions again. It must be a place where you perceive every second, every sound, every motion. The place where you will find the most important feeling. Freedom. The freedom which has a location. It's in the mountains. Create your own story with Sairme.